Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to bulk create quiz videos using Canva and AI. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Canva, click on the sign up option in the upper right corner. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, creating quiz videos in bulk using Canva and AI tools can offer several advantages for content creators and educators. Because number one, using AI-powered tools integrated with Canva can streamline the process of creating quiz videos because, as we all know, AI can automate tasks such as generating quiz questions, formatting video templates, and even voice-over narration, saving considerable time and effort. Because bulk creation allows for the efficient production of multiple quiz videos at once, it is especially beneficial for educators or businesses looking to produce a large volume of educational content or promotional materials. Now, how do we do it? It's very simple. All we have to do first is, from our dashboard, click on the home button or open menu. From here, we need to select the videos. Okay, of course, we need to create blank. We need to start from scratch. Now, the thing is, if you are already working on a template, just use that. Or if you wanted to create from scratch, is also okay. Say, for example, you wanted to create something from a template. All you have to do is type in quiz and hit enter. Right? As you can see, there's a lot that you can choose. It's up to you. Because again, the reason we are doing this is to save time and effort. All right. Because if we are on time constraint and we don't have the luxury of time to create a lot of quiz videos, this is going to be the perfect opportunity to use a template. That's one method. All right. But for now, I'm going to create my own template so that we can walk through it step by step. So I'm going to upload a sample image right here. Okay, so it's up to you if you wanted to follow along. Okay, so here's the sample that I'm going to do. For now, I'm gonna create a text. All right. I'm gonna use this one for now. All right. Click on this one, and obviously I have to ungroup this one because I don't need the other text right here below. I'm gonna use this one as well, and resize the font to a 50, right? Okay, and of course you can resize and change the font that you wanted, but for now I'm happy with this one. All right, well, I'm gonna change it. Okay, maybe something this one so it's a lot easier for you to read. Okay, and the next thing that I'm going to use is look for an element right here. Okay, I'm gonna use a frame. No, not a frame, graphics really. Something like a shape. Go here and maybe now here, this one. I wanted to see some shape right here. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one for now. And I'm going to basically duplicate all, maybe 4 entries. And obviously, I'm going to change the colors. Okay. I'm going to choose something like maybe blue one. So it's up to you. These are just judgments. Right, you can use this, maybe a little bit of green, right? And this is going to be a little bit of red. Okay, there we go. Now, the next step is, now I might use chatgpt, say something like, so it's up to you. There's a lot of AI platforms that you can choose, but I'm choosing ChatGPT for this one. right here. And all I have to do is copy this entire information into Google Docs spreadsheet. So it's up to you, all right? Now I'm gonna go again to our Canva and go to the design. All right, I'm gonna go again to the elements. Now this time I'm gonna use a square, but obviously I need to put some white. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna change this for a bit. I'm gonna make it a little bit this one at the back. Okay, stand backwards, and I'm gonna do the same here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do it for the entirety of the again. I'm gonna do it right here. So you can play around with the elements like the sizes and the colors, right? And I'm gonna create a new text right here. But I'm gonna make it a little bit. I'm gonna change the color. There you go. And now from here, all I have to do is click on the animate. You can select the entirety of the active elements here and click on animate. Now you can play around with the animation right here. You can preview on that, like rise, pan, fade. So there's a lot that you can choose. You can even customize all the information up here and below them if you wanted. Now I'm gonna use the pop right here. You can also change the duration if you wanted right here, because if you wanted longer, like make it 10 seconds or 20, it's up to you. And you can add another page wherein you can duplicate this one. Okay, and from here, the second page, I'm gonna delete the entire option here. And maybe something like so basically that's how you create bulk quiz videos for here in Canva using AI. All right, and I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna change the animation of this one, right? So if we play that, this is gonna happen. All right, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.